Hello everyone and welcome to Figure Corner. This is my custom Woody the Woodpecker figure. I made this for my mom's birthday a couple years ago. I wanted to show it off. It's not the same format that I've been using for to present figures, but I'm at the house. So I'm at my mom and dad's house. So I thought I'd share this with you. Hope everyone likes it. It took a long time to do it. I took a plucky from Tiny Toons Adventures McDonald's figure. And then I took a Marvel Legends 3.75 figure. I think it was what was it? Oh, it was the Submariner. I'm strongly going with that. Anyway, okay. Hope everyone likes it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.